What's good, what is good, my sizes? We're back again with another video, and today we are doing a room tour at the Resorts World, and we're in the Hilton Tower on the 59th floor. Okay, so when you walk in on the left, here's the bathroom. Hello, here is me, your presenter. How you doing? So, we have these marble countertops. Okay, so on the right here, we have a ceiling to floor glass shower with 2 shower heads and a seat. You got your shelves for your towels, and then the toilet right there. But don't worry, there's also artwork. This is as much as the door opens. That's it. That is all. Like, what? That's it. So be careful of that because I thought I broke the door when I first opened it. Okay, so leaving the bathroom, take a left, boom, your closet. Then we keep going, oh my gosh, and take a right, full-length mirror. Hello. Okay, now we keep coming over here. What's up, everybody? It's Editing Gia here. I just wanted to say that I failed to mention that in the next clip, it's going to be a weighted tray, I think I called it. So I didn't pick anything up. But the box in the top left corner, the one that says pepper, it's like a light pink mauve color. That is an intimacy kit for you and your significant other to enjoy your stay. Okay, that's all. Enjoy the rest of the video. This is a weighted tray. So this is my aunt and uncle's room, and they literally told me that this card basically says that if you leave an item, if you lift up an item for more than 30 seconds, you're paying for it. So this side is the mini bar, and this side is the refrigerator. So this is the overview of the room. Continuing with the dressing area, the dresser I should say, you have 4 drawers, and in the top left is the safe. You have nice countertop with the dresser, and above that is the television. Proceeding to the left, you have your seating area next to the window, and then the bed. So let's go check out this view. This is the view from the 59th floor in the Hilton Tower at the Resorts World. Now if you look far way over there, you could see Mandalay Bay and the Luxor on the right. This is the Fashion Show Mall with Treasure Island, also known as TI, the Trump Tower. So you have basically an overview of the whole strip. Alright, you guys, that concludes today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below other casinos I should go and tour. And smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it to be notified for my next casino tour, which would obviously be the Resorts World. Also, I would just like to say there was a blooper that occurred while I was filming this video, and I literally lost 2 nails. Like, they popped off, and it was a travesty. Anyways, yeah, smash the subscribe button. Doodles!